Hey loves, it's Claudia here in Claudia's Universe, and I am on the hunt for the Holy Grail Twist Out, Braid Out, and this is part 2 of episode 1. 2 days ago, I filmed part 1 of the Twist Out series with these 3 products. I used coconut oil from Simply Nature. I used the infamous Cantu shea butter. I love this. I followed up with BB's Tropical Roots Twist Cream, new with pineapple and guava for braids, locks, and twists. So this is what I used as the last one. Basically, you could say this was lotion, oil, and cream, the lock method for the first part in this hunt for the Holy Grail Twist Out, Braid Out. Tonight, I am using this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil for the takedown of this twist out, and I will be using this pick. So let's get this started. Oh, the hair is very moisturized and defined. Let me see if you can see that. Ooh, that is definitely defined. If you saw that part 1 that I was very heavy-handed with the products. So that's the first separation.